Joline, Joline, Joline. I'm begging of you, please don't take my mouth. Joline, 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 Joline. Please don't take him just because you can. The beauty is beyond compare, laid in love of autumn hair, ivory skin, eyes so emerald green. The smile is like a breath of spring, your voice is soft like summer rain, and I cannot compete with you, Joline. He talks about you in his sleep, there's nothing I can do to keep from crying when he calls your name, Joline. Joline, 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 Joline. I'm begging of you, please don't take my mail. Joline, 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 Joline. Please don't take him just because you can. I can easily understand how you can easily take my man. You don't know what it means to me, Joline. You could have the choice of man, but I could never love again. He's the only one for me, Joline. I had to have this talk with you. My happiness depends on you. Whatever you decide to do, Joline. Joline, 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 Joline. And I'm begging on you, please don't take my man. Joline, 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 Joline. Please don't take it even though you care. Joline, 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 Joline. Not begging of you, please don't take my man. Joline, 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 Joline. Please don't take him even though you care. Okay.